I got so many questions on my previous video about CapCut's copyright issue, but I noticed some of you still have questions. Copyright can be confusing, so today we'll clear things up to help you create amazing content without legal concerns. Let's get started. So are CapCut songs copyright free? The answer is, it depends on the use case. CapCut offers a wide range of music, but not all of it is free to use across all platforms. Let me explain. Some songs in CapCut have the label Use for Commercial TikTok and CapCut. This means they're approved for commercial use on TikTok and CapCut, but not necessarily on platforms like YouTube. If you're posting on YouTube, double-check before using any music. Another way to verify if a song is safe, CapCut has its own copyright check tool. Open the Audio tab. Click the Copyright Check button, select your song, and check its status. If it's copyrighted, CapCut will suggest alternatives. If it's safe, you'll see a Sound Copyright Check Pass message. However, this tool is designed for TikTok, so its results may not apply to YouTube or other platforms. If you're thinking of using CapCut Music for YouTube long videos, here's the reality. In the long run, you may face copyright claims. If you still want to take the chance, remember that YouTube has a tool to replace the copyrighted music section of your video with music from its library. This tool won't affect your narration audio and will smartly replace only the music portion. While this can be a solution, it's better to avoid the hassle by using music from YouTube's library or other copyright-free sources from the start. Now, let's discuss personal versus commercial use. For personal projects like home videos, you may have more flexibility. But even then, respect copyright laws. For commercial purposes, such as advertisements, it's essential to secure proper licenses. Using copyrighted music without permission can lead to serious consequences. The key takeaway? Always review licensing details. Royalty-free doesn't always mean copyright-free. Look for music explicitly labeled as copyright-free or in the public domain. Lastly, let me answer a few specific questions from the comments. Can I use CapCut sound effects and AI speech on YouTube? Yes. Using sound effects and AI speech tool will not have any issue of copyright. What about YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels? The same rules apply. Even for short videos, you need proper rights for the music. What if I record a song from another platform? That's still copyright infringement. Can editing music bypass copyright? No, editing doesn't exempt you from copyright laws. Licensing is still required. Maybe in some cases it will fall under reuse policy of CapCut. Be cautious, understand licensing terms, and use music responsibly to keep your content safe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.